23% pop, bang, right out of the gate for Weber, the grill company based right here where I am in Illinois right now. They got a bid from a large shareholder, which was BDT Capital Partners. And yet, even though this one's getting taken out, Mark, it seems like the stock just has not reflected its potential because of a lot of the competitors like Traeger and all the rest stealing some of their thunder. They've got to play catch up. And for that reason, the stock price has been coming from upper left to lower right, not doing what you'd like it to do.
Well, and you know, John, I think to me, this is probably more a statement about what some of the smartest money in the room, some of these private equity players like Tommy Bravo and BDT that we've mentioned in this Merger Mania Monday that we're covering here on Rebel's Edge. And that's really what it is. When you have 3 or 4 deals of this size, it's hard to consider it to be anything other than a Merger Monday or Merger Mania Monday. But it's more of a reflection of, in my opinion, what the smart money's thinking about the relative value of being public, of what the public markets are ascribing to these enterprises in terms of what they're worth, their intrinsic value, and stock price. And look, it's no secret that in an inflationary environment, in a rising rate environment, in a risk-off environment, which is by and large dominated more than 3/4 of 2022 discretionary consumer product spending. I don't need to buy a new Weber barbecue. I can still use the one from last season if I have to, right? And I'm deciding what to pay for. So no surprise that the stock's been under pressure, and no surprise that another smart private equity firm said, you know what, for the right price, let's get this thing private. Let's really try to determine what the appropriate value is, which of course they did in determining what to pay, and take it from there. So we shall see. But I think, as I said, John, more of a statement about what the public markets are doing to names like Weber versus the deal itself. That's what I'm focused on that one.
Yep, I have to agree. This is one of those deals where, you know, people had a lot of hope for it. It was almost a meme stock in part of 2021, I think, Mark, but it has not had any real great news until at least this that gets people closer to getting whole. But I don't know if anybody's celebrating this one very much, because basically getting back to $8 isn't lighting my fire if I was long at 6.5. Anyway.
Was that an intentional pun for a barbecue company, by the way, John?
Yeah, it's not lighting my fire.